Hello Aquarius! Welcome po sa inyong reading. So this is for August the 19th to August the 21st reading. Para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button. Smash the like button, comment below kung kayo po ay nakaka-resonate and hit a Zoom notification bell. Kung gusto niyo pong sumali sa ating live sessions, dun po yan sa ating kabilang channel, that is Babaylan TV. Yan po ang ating unang channel catered for our international audience. And kung hindi nyo po maabutan yung live sessions, pwede naman kayo magtanong dito sa comment section as long as the question is answerable by yes or no. Alright? So Aquarius, I want you to know that this is a general reading. You may resonate with the entire reading or you may resonate with some bits and pieces of the reading. Take what's only yours. So simulan na natin. Aquarius, parang merong mga taong nag-uudyok sa atin or tumutulong sa atin. No? Don't worry, hindi naman sila mga bad influence. In fact, they can bring good news, peace, reconciliation, apologies, or messages. No? Sabihin natin, or pwede rin to, no, na siguro a small percentage of you parang nahihiya, no, to ask a favor from someone. So, siguro kasi ayaw mong, if that is the case, ayaw mong ma-tag as a user-friendly, no? And as much as possible, Aquarius, you wanted to fix the issues yourself, no, rather than sabihin natin, rather than asking favors, no, from someone, kasi nahihiya din tayong makarinig ng hindi maganda. So, with the Two of Cups and the Seven of Cups, I think that siguro pinagbabati kayo din, no, nitong taong to, or pinagtatagpo kayo, no. Ang dami ko nakikitang scenario like the Seven of Cups in here, na parang ang daming possibilities, no, for you and your person to finally meet. Especially, lalo na kung ikaw yung naghahanap, single ka ngayon, no, naghahanap ka ng someone. I think that you better have, or you gotta have to try a lot of things because the romance or these romantic feelings is going to dominate prior, I can see here, the end of the month. With the Ten of Cups. Ooh. So, singles, ready na ba tayo sa ating romantic life? Sure ba tayo na wala tayong, kumbaga, baggages, no, from the past? Or baka gusto lang natin makapagrelasyon for the sake of having a relationship but not really loving the person. Maraming taong ganyan, no, makikipagrelasyon for the sake of the post, no? Basta may jowa ako. Pero ang tanong, are you emotionally, mentally, no, ready and probably spiritually ready to have a relationship? It could also be physical. Been through physical exhaustion, been there, done that. Sometimes it happened. Um, just a little backstory. Naku, nag-reveal daw ako. Ay, Aquarius pa. Okay. So, because of my busy schedules, no, most of the time I'm physically exhausted. So, I I decided, no, to really separate. That's how much I love the person. Kasi ayoko naman magmukha siyang yung parang nanghihingi, no, ng time. So, I believe that there's someone deserves better, no? I believe that the person deserves to be treated better, which I cannot give because of my busy schedule. Yep. But anyway, let's go back. It's not about me, it's about you. So, the Sun and the King of Swords. So, it makes me feel na itong taong ito is or itong energy na ito is more of pipilitin, pagsisiksikan niya yung sarili niya, no, to get you or be with you again. It doesn't matter if you've been in a separation with this person. So it applies to all departments of romance, whether single naghahanap, in mutual situationship, no, in a relationship, for those who are already partners or couples, no, or in a separation, no, or probably in a third party situation as well, with the Page of Pentacles, the Knight of Pentacles. Hold up. So dito to, the Page of Pentacles, there you go. I think that this person always checking up on your social media account, or probably asking a lot of things or a lot of questions, no? Um, from you. So madami na tong alam, whether this is a new person or not. Especially kung new person, parang, bakit ganun yung accent ko? New person. Especially if this is a new person, madami na siyang I mean alam, medyo nakakagambala dahil parang somehow it feels like this is a stalker. But yes, it is. But pero hindi naman siya dun sa parang You, no? Na sa Netflix. Hindi naman ganon. Hindi siya ganun ka-creepy. Pero creepy pa rin. Pero okay lang din. Sometimes ginagawa naman natin yun. Nako, oh. With the Knight of Pentacles, ayan, mag-open na naman ako. Wag na nga. Nine of Pentacles, the Five of Wands, the Nine of Wands, and the Ten. There's a lot of wands in here. You know what? I feel like ang taas-taas ng standards natin. And again, there's nothing wrong about having these high standards. But I feel like itong taong ito is, kahit yung single na naghahanap hindi lang dahil o may taong nandiyan, sige, welcome ka na. No, hindi. Kasi ang nakikita ko dito, parang kahit naghahanap ako ng karelasyon, hindi naman kahit sino na lang, no? May dignidad naman ako. Yung parang kahit sino na lang dyan, basta may gusto sa akin, no, that's not gonna happen. Aquarius pa ba? Pero feeling ko dadaan ito sa butas ng karayon, no? Probably you gonna give this person a test with the Four of Swords and the Two of Swords. So kahit mapilit siya, chances are, aayaw ka. Ganon kataas ang standards, no, ni Aquarius. Parang you're gonna see a red flag on this and you're gonna pull yourself out, no, from the situation prior it becomes chaotic. So let's check the energy of, I mean, it could be your emotion or your person's or this person's emotion, no? Are you thinking about me? And I need some more time before I can come to you. I think that this is you and this is your person. So I believe that there is already an energy here crossing the boundary of um obsession. But yung sa'yo, huy, magdahan-dahan ka. Hinay-hinay ka lang naman, no? Hindi porket naghahanap ako or namimiss kita, di ba? Ganun-ganun na lang. No. 'Di ba? May breed tayo, ayan. Hindi siya nakaka-demure, hindi cutesy, no? So tingnan natin dito ang zodiac sign ni person. This could be their sun sign or a placement in their chart. So I'm seeing Pisces, um, Taurus, Cancer, Sagittarius, Virgo, Scorpio, uh, Leo, of course, and Capricorn. Yeah. This is your reading, no? Aquarius. Again, para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo po yung nakaka-resonate, and hit the notification bell. Kung gusto niyo pong sumali sa ating live sessions, Doon po yan sa kabilang channel, that is Babaylan TV. Yan po ang ating unang channel catered for our international audience. And kung hindi nyo po maabutan yung live sessions, pwede naman kayo magtanong dito sa comment section as long as the question po is answerable by yes or no. And Aquarius, kilalang kilala niyo yung sarili ninyo. Alam niyo na hindi kayo masasatisfy sa yes or no question, sagot lang, no? Dumiretso na kayo dun sa ating description box. Makikita niyo dun yung link ng ating website. Click that link, you're gonna be routed to the website. Bubungad po agad yung question form, no? Sa question form po, nandun po itong sa baba, nandun po yung information, how much per questions, the name, the number, no, for your reference. And if you also want to book a private reading, nandun din po siya. I also created a 4 questions plus 1, so take advantage of it. So Aquarius, ayan, tuloy pa rin ang ating manhunt, no? So please report those fake accounts na nandun po sa ating description box. And screenshot, no, send it to the designated email para po once nagapi natin yan, bubunot po tayo ng lucky winner for a private reading. Ayan. Kung hinahanap niyo yung mga ex nyo, yung X-Files, no, itong readings about exes, nilipat ko po siya sa Facebook, ano. So, you might wanna check on it. That's Babaylan TV. Ayan. So, makikita nyo naman po doon sa link, meron doon mga icons, no, ng social medias. Pag clinic nyo yun, ma-route na kayo agad sa ating account or social media app. Ayan. So this is your reading, Aquarius. Love and light to you. Namaste. See you po sa susunod na reading. Goodbye.